In this video, we are going to install JoyTutus car cup holder with attachable tray. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. This cup extender can fit into a car cup holder of 2.75 to 3.25 inches. It has a nice odorless hard rubber fin design. It can fit bottles from 18 ounce to 40 ounce or 3.4 to 3.7 diameter cups. Just like your Hydro Flask, Yeti, or just your regular Gatorade bottle. They do have these removable rubber tabs. It's 3.9 inches tall or a total of 6.4 inches tall. It does come with a 360-degree rotation attachable tray. The tray is 10 inches by 6.2 inches and can hold up to 6 pounds. The second cup holder in the tray can hold fast food cups of up to 2.75 inches in diameter. A cell phone can be placed in the slot and you can put your charging cable through the hole. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Here we have your standard cup holder, which can hold your soda cans, your fast food cups or coffee cup, still wobbly, 17-ounce thermos, and does not fit the large ones. Just grab your JoyTutus cup expander and just go ahead and place it in. The nice hard rubber fin design locks it into place. Now you have a wider mouth. You still can fit your soda can, your fast food cup, thermos, and if you remove the rubber, now your large thermos. Now if you're on a family road trip, you can go ahead and extend it with a tray, just like that. And now you have a tray, which rotates 360 degrees. And now you have an extra cup holder. And your fast food cup. Or you can just rotate the tray and maybe put your tissue box. You can also just remove the tray just to add an extra cup holder. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.